best deals. Today's video lets the trending travel gadgets that will amaze you. Compact and lightweight, these products can easily fit in your bag, making it ideal for days out with the kids, work, or travel. Sleek, lightweight kettle fits neatly into your bag and provides hot beverages or meals anytime, anywhere. It's the perfect ally for the super mom that you are. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Cutlery set. Portable travel utensils with case. It is not only clean and hygienic but also very convenient to carry. It can be used with the bento lunch box, suitable for home, outdoor, school and work. Stylish design, smooth surface, comfortable grip. Easy to clean. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Water container. Constructed using high-quality food-grade material, ensuring safety and durability. The premium material prevents any chemical leaching, making it suitable for various outdoor environments. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply enjoying outdoor activities, this water container offers a reliable and safe storage solution for your water needs. Container is equipped with one water inlet and one easy-to-use water faucet. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Collapsible bucket. Perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks, including mopping floors, washing cars, and even organizing laundry. This multipurpose bucket is a must-have for every household, ensuring you are always prepared for any cleaning challenge. Made from high-grade PP plus TPR material. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Folding step stool. Made of high-quality plastic and internal structural design as honeycomb that makes the step stool extra strong and safe. The surface design with a matte finish so no chance of scratches. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Bags. Most convenient method of garbage disposal to maintain cleanliness and hygiene. Bag on roll with detachable tie tape to tie the bag after use. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Container. Features smooth rolling wheels and convenient handles for easy movement, perfect for under desk or cabinet storage. Spacious interior accommodates numerous books, files, and supplies with efficient organization for study rooms and offices. Arc-shaped opening provides quick and ergonomic retrieval of stored items without the need to remove the entire container, with ample space for vertical storage, featuring built-in handles, and durable wheels for mobility. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Ice box. The cooler's lid doubles as a sturdy tray, perfect for snacks and drinks on the go, catering to those looking for an ice cube box with chiller ice box functionality. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Bottle opener. Made of food-grade stainless steel with a handle inlaid with natural wood, the solid wood handle makes the bottle opener more beautiful, so that it can be used as a gift for family or friends. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Knife. Made of stainless steel, with excellent sharpness and long-lasting durability, allowing for precise and easy slicing. This multipurpose outdoor portable fruit knife features a compact size and lightweight structure, making it easy to carry in a backpack or pocket. Its accompanying protective cover ensures safe storage and transportation, making it perfect for camping, picnicking, and snacking outdoors. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Collapsible water bottle. The cylindrical shape of the bottle makes it sturdy and easy to hold. BPA-free silicone collapsible water bottle that's eco-friendly, flexible, leak-proof, and shatterproof. Lightweight and foldable water bottles for travel that can be packed easily into your backpack or suitcase. Our foldable water bottles for travel can be compressed. The bottles are airtight and easy to fold, reducing the bottle's size by over 80%. It's flexible and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Airtight bag sealer. Designed to be stored nice and neatly in drawers without sacrificing on drawer space. Take them on a road trip to seal those snacks without worrying about it spilling all over. Freezer and dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Foldable stool. Portable stool can be used as a camping chair, hiking stool, fishing stool, picnic stool, beach stool, and waiting bus rest stool. The portable folding stool is not only suitable for children, but also can easily support the weight of adults. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Camping stove. With its lightweight and compact form factor, this camped stove is easy to carry and stow, making it an ideal companion for camping trips and outdoor adventures. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Toothbrush case. These toothbrush covers for kids can also be containers for pens, chopsticks, forks, spoons and other small things which needs a safe and clean storage. Double ventilation holes design, specializing in keeping your toothbrush dry, material which is sturdy. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Folding stools. Use in home office, garden, school, fishing, traveling, camping and other outdoor activities, great and ideal for kids, adults, seniors, folded up to 10-inch to 18-inch, lightweight material easy to carry. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Rolling soap box. Features of this soap box is the rubber roller that is designed to create foam with minimal effort. As you rub the soap across the roller, the soap is dispensed evenly, creating a rich, creamy lather. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Electric kettle. Made from premium food-grade silicone that ensures your drinks are free from harmful substances, compact and lightweight, our kettle easily fits in your bag, making it ideal for days out with the kids, work, or travel. Prepare your favorite hot beverages within 5 minutes, saving you precious time in your busy day. No complicated instructions, just unfold, fill with water, plug into a socket, and switch it on. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. The compact design of our kettle means it takes up minimal space, leaving plenty of room for your children's essentials and your personal items. It's a must-have for all busy moms on the move. Sleek, lightweight kettle fits neatly into your bag and provides hot beverages or meals anytime, anywhere. It's the perfect ally for the super mom that you are. No more time-consuming cleaning. The food-grade silicone material makes it incredibly easy to clean after use. With a 600 milliliters capacity, it's perfect for serving hot drinks or meals for you and your little ones, ideal for those busy mornings, hectic office hours, or when traveling, ensuring a hot, comforting drink is always within your reach. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Light. The small keychain flashlight have 3 lighting modes, with SOS function, and square design. The LEP flashlight top as a climbing buckle design can be hung in any position you want to, and with a bottle opener function to help you open a variety of metal lids in the field. The back is 180 degrees rotatable bracket. The cob light put on the ground can also be used steadily. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Knife. Made of reliable long-lasting stainless steel with a durable black oxidation finish and aluminum handle, great for hiking, backpacking, and other emergencies or around-the-house use. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Desk fan. Although the fan is very strong, even in high speed the noise is less than 40 decibels. It is a quiet and good friend when working and sleeping. Ideal for your desk, office, bedroom use. Product link is given in the 20th link.